You are watching FX1 After Effects tutorial. This is how to learn the stroke effect in Adobe After Effects. The stroke effect creates a stroke or border around the path defined by one or more masks. You can also specify stroke color, opacity, and spacing, as well as brush characteristics. First, create a composition. Then select the text tool and create a text. I'll use the arrow tool to reposition my text in the composition. Afterwards, to create a mask from our text, we have to go to the timeline. Select the text layer, right-click, go to Create, and then click the Create Mask from Text. And now we apply the stroke effect, which is under the Generate family. Go to the Effects panel on the upper left, click the box for all masks, and then change the color to anything. I'll be using green. Then select on Transparent from Paint Style, adjust the brush size as well. For animating the text, first go to the timeline. Click on the Outline layer under Effects, Stroke. Find the end parameter and set it to 0. Then click the stopwatch for the start parameter. Move the time indicator forward and change its value. And then play. I'll adjust the keyframes to center it in the timeline. Lastly, select the keyframes and go to the graph editor. Select the keyframes again and apply Easy Ease on the bottom right.